1 p.m. midweek on Bondi Beach. A small crowd, gentle surf, perfect conditions.
It's a beautiful day, huh? Oh, sensational.
It's not the time when you'd expect things to go wrong. 5 off-duty lifeguards happen to be taking part in a photo shoot following media interest in Bondi Rescue. Amongst them is Hoppo, the boss, and Corey, one of the most experienced lifeguards on the beach. Halfway through the shoot, a dramatic event unfolds right beside them. A man's found floating, lifeless in the surf.
It's here, we're going to get up the beach. Ready?
His name is Takahiro Ono, an English language student from Tokyo. No one knows what's happened to him or how long he's been in the water.
Right, Mo, no. Someone go and get on the radio. There's a radio on my bike and call for the doofy. Yeah. Check pulse, hang on.
Hoppo can't detect a pulse.
Bagging, come on.
He's not breathing.
Bagging, come on. Bagging.
Tucker is clinically dead.
You grab the nose.
The boys must get his heart beating again and air into his lungs.
It's a male, about 20 years old. They got him on the bag now. I'll get back to you in the morning.
I can't really feel it.
Danny arrives with a defibrillator as Corey starts CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Get a towel. Yeah, I got it. What?
Tucker still has no pulse.
Stand clear. Watch out. Everyone stand clear. Think clear. No touching.
Stand clear.
Stand clear.
Ready? Yeah.
Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm.
The machine reads Tucker's vital signs.
Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm. Check pulse. If no pulse, give CPR. Check pulse. If no pulse, give CPR.
I can't get one. Start CPR.
The defib doesn't work on Tucker first time.
3, 4, 5,
The machine needs time to recharge. Corey continues CPR.
11, 12.
The ambulance has been called, paramedics are on the way. Just, if you need anything else, give us the yell.
Yeah, copy that, Chapo. 12, 13, 14, 15.
It's 4 minutes since lifeguards got to Tucker.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The machine needs time to establish whether he has any heart rhythm.
Stand clear.
Clear.
Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm.
Tucker's had 2 shocks. He's in spasm. Patients rarely survive if they need more than 3 shocks. Tucker's been clinically dead for at least 4.5 minutes. He has 1 chance left.
I've lost it.
Stand clear. Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm.
The 3rd shock has finally had an effect.
Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm.
I won't shock again.
Trying to breathe, it looks like.
Still stand clear.
Analyzing rhythm.
Breathing now.
It's alright, mate.
Check pulse. If no pulse, give CPR.
He's got a faint pulse.
He's breathing, mate.
It's getting stronger. Take a good pulse, mate. Good pulse here.
You've been in the water and you swallowed a lot of water, okay?
Stay, just relax, mate. Just relax.
We're looking after you, okay? Understand?
He's got a strong heartbeat now, strong heart. Just keep your head there, mate. It's okay.
Just giving you some oxygen.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's alright, buddy.
It's okay, mate. Just relax. Just take it easy. Good work, boys. All of us, eh? Good work.
Try deep breaths, mate. Okay?
As they wait for an ambulance, lifeguards try and piece together the events that almost killed Tucker.
Student too.
What happened to him?
I don't know. I walked to swim in the water.
And he just kind of floating or what?
No one knows how long Tucker was clinically dead in the water,
Friends from uni or something.
but for 5 minutes, the lifeguards kept him alive on the sand. Despite the trauma of a major medical emergency, Tucker knows who and where he is.
What's your name?
Takahiro.
Takahiro, is it? Yeah. You know where you are, Tucker? Yeah. Where are you? Where?
Bondi. He said Bondi.
A shot of Maxillon will help stabilise Tucker. Lifeguards and paramedics brace him on a spinal board.
1, 2, 3, roll.
They're concerned Tucker may also be suffering a spinal injury. Perhaps he was violently knocked out in the surf.
Was it immersion related or? We think so. He was found at the edge of the water.
Can you feel me touching your elbow?
So you pulled him out of the water.
Yeah.
Have you used it on an arrest before?
Oh, we had 12 last year.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh, they're unreal, these things. Unbelievable.
Oh, it's got to have someone behind it, mate.
Oh, yeah.
So you blokes did all right.
Tucker's alive, but the drama's far from over. How did he end up floating lifeless in the water? Has he damaged his spine? Will he suffer any brain damage from lack of oxygen?
You happy to go on your own, or do you want to? Yeah, we'll be right back. See you later.
Thanks,
well
mate.
done. You
Thanks.
saved his life. You're great, you blokes.
Tucker's not out of danger yet.